Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use VRChat on Oculus Quest 3. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply use VRChat on Oculus Quest 3 in two ways. Simply by downloading the standalone app directly from the Meta Quest store or by streaming the more feature-rich PC version from your computer. So, if you're using the standalone Quest app, the most straightforward way is to download the free VRChat app. Now, you need to open the MetaQuest store from the headset's main menu, search for VRChat in the store, download and install the app, and it's completely free, so simply create an account. After this, if you want to try the option 2, that is to stream the PC version, you need to prepare your PC, connect your Quest 3, and simply launch VRChat on your PC as well. So these are the two ways that can help you simply use VRChat on Oculus Quest 3. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.